Okay, so let's do one more for this end behavior lesson. And it says, as x approaches negative infinity, for which function does f of x approach negative infinity? So we are saying that we're interested in finding curves that basically do this. So we have a couple of options. Uh, on the right side, it could either go down or the other option that we're open to is that it goes up. Okay, so then the curves that will go down in both directions have to have so we're considering the ones that go down both directions. So then um we would be looking at a term that has an even power in the leading coefficient and that is negative. So what we need to do is we need to look for those among this set. And then if it's going to go up on the right side, then we're going to look at um, powers that are odd and positive. They have this left piece that goes down as x goes towards negative infinity, and then it goes towards infinity as x goes towards infinity. So our job really is going to be to, as quickly as possible, just multiply these terms and then look at the result. So the very first thing we get is 12x to the third power. And then over here, you hardly even have to get the right product. Just know that it's a negative times a positive is a negative times a positive is a negative times a positive is a negative. So we're going to have a negative. And we don't really need to know what the actual value is. The power is x times x times x times x. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So x to the fourth power. And the ones that are easy to compute, we'll just go ahead and compute them. So 4 times 1 is 1, times 1 is 4 times 1 is 4, times 1 is 4, times 1 is 4. And then we have a power of 1, another power of 1, another power of 1, another power of 1. So it's a power of 4. And then this is a half. So maybe it won't be that hard to compute because I can take 3 times 4 is 12, times 1 is 12, times 1 is 12, and then half of that is 6, and it's going to be a negative times a positive, times a positive, times a positive, times a positive. So it's going to be a negative. And then the power is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the power is 5. This one is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it's going to be a 1 times 0.2, so 0 0.2. And it's going to be positive. And then the power is going to be x to the 1, x to the 1, x to the 1, x to the 1, x to the 1. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 powers of x. And then the last one is going to be 9 times 3 is 27, times 2 is 54, times 1 is 54, 4 times 1 is 54. So it's a 54. And then the powers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x to the 5. All right, so we're looking for things that have odd and positive. So this is odd and positive. This is odd and positive. And then we're also looking for things that are even and negative. So even and negative, and I believe that's it. So those are our hopefully educated guesses. It's this one, and this one, and hopefully we got all of them, and that's how you do that problem.